It's always an honor to participate in this process. It is a little bit disconcerting that the public has not been appraised. We have no way of knowing who's going to show up from the county to present at these sessions. I personally believe that that's a violation of sunshine. And I think that the entire council is putting itself at risk by excluding the public from this process. We all feel excluded because we don't know who's going to show up and what issues are going to be addressed. And that is absolutely counter to sunshine. I also listened to Mr. Molina's testimony, and I understand that professionals don't want to work for the county. And there's good reason for that. Most of it has to do with Corp Counsel and the pressures and manipulation that Corp Counsel has placed on employees to protect past bad acts. Greg Brown is a perfect poster child for this. We can show you 10 different violations that were existing right up front from the Greg Brown project proposal that were ignored and facilitated by members of the planning department and public works. And a lot of those people are gone from the county miraculously.
That is not on our agenda
they
today.
Ended their careers.
Mr. Small, can you hear me?
Because of the manipulations that were done with Greg Brown. Even
Mr. Small,
Molina is,
I think you cannot hear me, and I think we need to shut off this
the wrongful termination case with Mr. Salem. There's a
Thank you for testifying on whatever you're talking
by
about.
KSG of Mr. Molina, which states that Public Works can override planning to remove conditions that were part of an SMA permit. That's not true.
Can you
That's
stop
not reality.
I don't have a button. Oh, okay. I'm going to call recess. Welcome back to the Budget, Finance, Economic Development Committee. So I am advised that Mr. Small, you have, how much time does he have left? He can finish his testimony.
Chair, we paused his timer at 51 seconds, and then he also has the 30 seconds to wrap up as well, his testimony.
Okay. So he has over a minute left, is what you're saying?
Correct, Chair.
Okay. Please proceed. Can you hear us?
Yeah, I think I can.
Okay.
Am I back?
You are back.
Okay.
A minute and a half.
Wow. Okay. Well, I thought that I was talking on topic about Public Works' challenges to get staffing. And there is a professional understanding that the way that business is conducted between planning and public works is severely broken. And Greg Brown is an example of what the result of those breaks are. I've been testifying for years about the loopholes that developers in the know and lawyers in the know understand how to get infrastructure hidden in an SMA permit and then do a subdivision that does not include the infrastructure. And because Public Works does not circle back to planning a subdivision plot for verification that it is consistent with the SMA permit that was issued, which is the law. They don't follow the law, and developers and corrupt lawyers, they are out there, know how to work that system. And it's your job to fix it.
Thank you.
And just one thing, why isn't the auditor showing up at one of these sessions? The auditor is supposed to do a 6-month audit of how the money gets spent. That is the stopgap. And by not having the auditor participate, once again, the public is held in the dark, and that is this council's responsibility. You are hindering the public's ability to participate.
Thank you, Mr. Small.
In a confident
Anybody
and
have questions for Mr. Small?
Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Next testifier, please.